Hello, video creator. Welcome to our Halloween special. Today, we're taking you to a Halloween party run by kittens. This is a picture of a kitten, and I will use state-of-the-art artificial intelligence technology to animate these cute little guys and tell their own Halloween adventure stories. Do you want to know how to create such an effect? Well, don't go away. Let's join this Halloween AI video feast together. Okay, welcome back to UniFab's channel. Let's get started. This software is PixVerse AI. It is a free advanced AI video generator that can convert text and pictures into high-quality and realistic videos. We click Create and first need to log into our Google account. Then, import the pictures we want to generate videos for and describe them accordingly. For example, we want this kitten to rock left and right, jump around, and be very happy. Next, you can customize some of the video settings below. Select the model, effect, style, duration, resolution, and output size. Finally, click Create. We need to wait for a while to see what the final result will be. However, we can see that the exported video is a bit blurry. In this case, you can turn on UniFab's upscaler to enhance the image quality. The software is very easy to operate and only requires 3 steps to complete the enhancement. Step 1. Select the upscaler function and import the video. Step 2. Make simple adjustments to the video parameters. You can also enter settings for advanced settings. Here we provide the video customization function you can choose freely. Finally, export the video. You can see that the enhanced video is very clear, very vivid, and interesting kitten Halloween video. Make it quickly. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more AI tools and more useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.